how to change your page category on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your page category on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click pages, and now just select your page and here just click about, and here you will find your page category. Just click here and here you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.